welcome to my channel. My name is Gina and I am a fashion designer based in Benin City, Nigeria. My brand name is Gina Jones Fashion, which is a startup bespoke fashion brand for women. I started learning how to sew in 2019, but then it was more of an on and off situation because I was in school, but now I'm a graduate. So it took me like 2 years to finish a 1-year program. Yes, because I would like go for like, maybe once a week, twice a week, go back to school, and I was trying to incorporate tailoring into my school life, and I tried my best. So after that, I got a scholarship for a 3-month intensive upgrade fashion course, and that really took me like from like a 50 to 100. And I'm not saying that when I did that 2-year program it did not impact me. That was like my bedrock, that was my foundation. But after I went for that 3-month program, it really built me up and made me understand fashion designing even more. So yeah, so currently I am a corper. Yes, I'm a corps member serving in Ondo State. I was posted to a school to teach. Yeah, it's actually very funny, but yeah, I'm making it work. So for the longest time I have wanted to impact lives. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I was waiting for the right time, like to have everything. But like here I am now, and I just really want to impact lives. I want to teach others and make them understand fashion designing. There are people out there that cannot really, not really that they cannot afford physical trainings, but they have so many things going on in their lives, and just want someone that can put them through from the very beginning, and I am that person. So I am going to be starting from the very beginning of fashion designing. This channel is going to be about fashion styling. You're going to be learning how to draft patterns, how to cut, and how to sew. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. I look forward to growing with you guys, and also please feel free to drop your suggestions in the comment section. Some persons might have a special request, I want to learn how to do something, so I can know and then plan ahead of time and be able to make videos for you guys. So I really appreciate you guys. But firstly, this channel is going to start from fashion styling, because for you to be a good fashion designer you need to be able to understand fashion styling. That's like the foundation of everything. You need to be able to understand your body type, your client's body type, the colors that suit them best, and the kind of clothing that you should and you should not make for them. So yes, I hope to see you in my next video. Please click on the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.